Have you ever pondered the mysteries of the celestial bodies that dart across our night sky, comets, asteroids, and meteors? As we gaze upwards, these cosmic travelers captivate us with their celestial ballet, weaving a tale of the universe's infinite expanse and our place within it. From ancient times, humanity has been fascinated by these celestial bodies. They've been the muses of poets, the guiding lights for sailors, and the objects of scientific curiosity. They've inspired awe and fear, wonder and speculation, yet despite their similarities, comets, asteroids, and meteors are quite different from one another. They each have unique origins, compositions, and journeys that have shaped them, making their study not just a quest for knowledge, but an adventure into the unknown. So buckle up, space enthusiasts. We're about to embark on a cosmic journey. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of comets, asteroids, and meteors. Let's start our journey with the frozen wanderers of our solar system, the comets. These celestial bodies are akin to time capsules, preserving the primitive material from the time our solar system was formed. Composed of a mixture of water ice, frozen gases, dust, and rocky material, they're like dirty snowballs hurtling through space. Comets originate from the distant and cold regions of the solar system, the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. When their highly elliptical orbits bring them closer to the sun, the heat causes their ices to sublimate or turn directly from a solid to a gas. This process creates an atmosphere around the comet known as a coma. But what about those beautiful tails we associate with comets? Well, as the comet moves closer to the sun, the solar wind, that's a stream of charged particles flowing out from the sun, and sunlight push the dust and gas of the coma away from the sun, forming two distinct tails. One made of dust, which reflects sunlight and often appears yellowish, and another made of ionized gas, which glows due to interactions with the solar wind and generally appears bluish. Throughout history, a number of comets have put on quite a show for us here on Earth. Perhaps the most famous is Halley's Comet, which swings by our planet approximately once every 76 years. Its last visit was in 1986, and it's due to make a return in 2061. Another notable comet is Hale-Bopp, which gave us an impressive display back in 1997, and isn't expected to return for another 2,500 years or so. So comets, with their icy composition and glowing tails, are indeed a spectacle to behold. They're not just beautiful to look at though. By studying comets we can learn more about the early solar system and perhaps even the origins of life itself. So next time you catch a glimpse of a comet in the night sky, remember, you're looking at a piece of our solar system's history. Moving on from the icy realms, we now enter the rocky territories of asteroids. These are the silent sentinels of our solar system, primarily made up of rock and metal. They are like the remnants of the building blocks that never quite formed a planet. Asteroids are primarily found in a region of space located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This region, known as the asteroid belt, is like a cosmic quarry, bustling with these rocky inhabitants. While they may seem close together in illustrations, in reality they are usually quite distant from one another. The composition of asteroids is as diverse as their sizes. Some are rich in silicate rock while others are packed with metals like iron and nickel. This variety is a testament to the eclectic nature of the cosmos, where even the smallest entities can be a treasure trove of diversity. When it comes to their size, asteroids can range from the size of pebbles to objects that are hundreds of kilometers in diameter. The largest known asteroid in our solar system is Ceres, which is so large that it's classified as a dwarf planet. It's about 940 kilometers in diameter, large enough to make its presence felt. The shapes of asteroids are equally varied. Unlike planets, they do not have enough gravity to pull themselves into a spherical shape. As a result, they can look like potatoes, diamonds, or even like dog bones. This lack of uniformity adds to their charm, making each asteroid distinct in its own right. So you see, asteroids are far from being just lifeless rocks drifting in space. They are historical archives, holding clues to the early solar system. They are the rocky residents of our cosmic neighborhood, each with its own unique story to tell. Asteroids, with their rugged surfaces and unpredictable paths, add a layer of mystery to our solar system. From the stable residents, we now shift our gaze to the transient visitors, the meteors. Meteors, often the stars of our night sky, are not stars at all. These fiery streaks of light are in fact small particles that originate from comets or asteroids. Imagine them as cosmic nomads journeying through the vast expanse of space. When these particles, also known as meteoroids, collide with Earth's atmosphere, they burn up, creating that spectacular flash of light we often see. This phenomenon has led to meteors being fondly referred to as shooting stars. It's a romantic notion, isn't it? But these celestial entities are far from being stars. They're more like tiny, transient guests, visiting our atmosphere for a fleeting moment, leaving behind a trail of light as a memento of their short-lived visit. But meteors aren't just solitary travelers. Sometimes they arrive en masse, creating a delightful display known as a meteor shower. Picture this, a quiet, dark night, and suddenly, the sky is ablaze with countless streaks of light. It's as if the cosmos decided to put on a fireworks show just for us. These showers occur when Earth passes through the debris left behind by a comet or an asteroid. The particles drawn in by Earth's gravity blaze across our skies, giving us a front-row seat to one of nature's most breathtaking performances. From the Perseids, which grace our skies every August, to the Geminids in December, meteor showers are regular cosmic events. Each one is unique, varying in intensity and duration, but they all share one common trait. They are utterly mesmerizing. So, meteors with their fiery trails and fleeting existence provide us with some of the most awe-inspiring celestial events. They remind us of the infinite beauty of our universe, a beauty that is continuously unfolding, one meteor shower at a time. Having explored them individually, it's now time to compare these celestial bodies. Comets, asteroids, and meteors, while all inhabitants of our solar system, each bear unique characteristics that distinguish them from one another. Let's start with their origins. Comets come from the frozen outskirts of our solar system, in areas known as the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. They are essentially icy dust balls, composed mainly of frozen gases, rock and dust that have coalesced together. When they venture close to the sun, the heat causes them to spew jets of gas and dust, creating a glowing coma, and sometimes a tail. Asteroids, on the other hand, are rocky or metallic bodies that primarily reside in the asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter. They are remnants from the early solar system, leftover building blocks that never coalesced into a planet. Unlike comets, they don't have tails, as they are composed mostly of rock and metal, and lack the icy materials that vaporize to form a comet's tail. Meteors or meteoroids, when in space, are significantly smaller than asteroids or comets. They originate from either the debris of comets or fragments from asteroids. When a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere and burns up, it becomes a meteor, or what we commonly refer to as a shooting star. Visually, each of these celestial bodies offers a unique spectacle. A comet with its glowing coma and tail can be a breathtaking sight in the night sky. Asteroids, while not typically visible to the naked eye, can occasionally be spotted when they reflect sunlight. Meteors, though fleeting, provide a dazzling display when they streak across the sky, burning up in our atmosphere. While they may appear similar to the untrained eye, comets, asteroids, and meteors each have unique characteristics that set them apart. So the next time you gaze upon the night sky, remember, each twinkling light or streaking fireball has a story to tell, a story of its origin, its journey, and its unique place in the cosmic ballet that is our solar system.